Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use HARPA AI for beginners. HARPA, HARPA, HARP. I prefer calling it HARP, so it might not be the correct pronunciation. Anyway, let's start the tutorial. What is HARPA AI? HARPA AI is a powerful AI assistant designed to help you automate tasks and increase your productivity. It is essentially a collection of AI-powered commands that you can use to interact with your computer and perform various actions. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to use HARPA AI or HARPA AI. 1. Installation. You need to first of all download and install the HARPA or HARPA AI application from their official website, which is harpa.ai. Next, you need to grant it permissions. You might need to grant HARPA AI certain permissions to interact with your system, such as allowing it to access your clipboard or controlling your mouse. Now, the next step is basic usage. So once you've installed it, get the permissions, the next thing you need to do is launch the application. Then, in the chat interface, you type your commands or question. For example, you can say, summarize this article, and then paste the article text. It will work, it will do it. Or you can say, write a short story about a robot dog. Or translate this sentence into Spanish. Schedule a meeting for me tomorrow at 3 p.m. Then, so these are different ways you can use the commands in the chat interface. The next one, you receive output after putting in your commands. So the HARPA AI will process your request and provide the desired output, such as a summary when you ask for a summary, a story when you ask for a story, a translation when you ask for a translation, and a calendar event when you ask it to schedule a meeting for you. So the next step after 1, downloading and installing, 2, giving it command, launching it and giving it command, the next thing is to receive your output. HARPA AI will process your request and provide the desired output, like I said before, such as the summary, the story, the translation, or a calendar event. Now, the next step is to explore the commands. Now, please explore the built-in commands. You see, HARPA AI comes with a library of pre-built commands for various tasks, such as browsing the web, controlling media player, and setting reminders. So please explore all of them. Next, you can even create your own commands. You can create your own custom commands to automate specific tasks or workflow to make it easier for you. Next, you can use the interface. That is the first step. Use the interface. Now, how do you do this? We have the chat window interface, which is the main interface for interacting with HARPA AI. Then we have the command history, where you can access and review previous commands. Then we also have the settings interface, where you can customize settings such as appearance, language, and API keys. Now let's go into the key features of HARPA AI. Number 1, natural language understanding. You see, HARPA AI can understand and respond to natural language commands, making it easy to use. Then we also have the cross-platform compatibility. HARPA AI is available for various operating systems like Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. Next, extensible. You can even expand HARPA AI's capabilities by integrating with other services and APIs. The next, continuous learning. You see, HARPA AI is constantly being updated and improved with new features and capabilities. Please know this is a general overview. The specific features and functionalities of HARPA AI may vary depending on the latest version and updates. I hope this tutorial helps you get started with HARPA AI. If you did, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Once again, thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks which we put up every day.